Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in this, we have one more important table which is nuclear sclerosis, actually, and type of cataract. Okay. Actually, nuclear cataract will mainly develop because of deposition of the insoluble proteins, and the melanin and urochrome pigment deposition will result in nuclear cataract. So, if there is deposition of brown colored pigment, then the patient will develop the cataract which is called as cataracta brucens. If there is deposition of black colored pigment, then the patient will develop cataracta nigra gets developed due to black colored pigment. Then if the patient has red colored pigment deposition in the nuclear cataract, then the patient will develop cataracta nigra.
thank you and thank you for watching.